Building wealth in your 20s is one of the smartest decisions you can make in life. Many young people in Kenya think wealth is something you start chasing in your 30s or 40s, but that is not true. Your 20s are actually the best years to begin because you have one thing many older people wish they had more of: time. Time allows your money to grow, your skills to improve, and your mistakes to become lessons instead of disasters. In Kenya today, life is becoming more expensive. Rent is going up. Food prices are rising. Transport costs are increasing. Many young people are struggling to survive from one paycheck to another. But even in such a tough economy, wealth can still be built. It does not matter whether you earn 10,000 Kenyan shillings, 30,000 Kenyan shillings, or 100,000 Kenyan shillings every month. What matters most is what you do with that money. Many people think wealth means having expensive clothes, driving a good car, or living in a flashy apartment. But that is not real wealth. Real wealth means having money saved, owning assets, having investments, and building income streams that continue bringing money even when you are not working. A person earning 50,000 Kenyan shillings and saving 15,000 Kenyan shillings every month is often wealthier than someone earning 150,000 Kenyan shillings and spending everything. The first step to building wealth is learning how to control your money. This starts with budgeting. A budget simply tells your money where to go before you spend it. Without a budget, money disappears quickly and you wonder where it went. A simple way to budget is using the 50-30-20 rule. This means 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, food, and transport. 30% goes to wants like entertainment and shopping. 20% goes to savings and investments. For example, if you earn 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month, you can use 15,000 Kenyan shillings for essentials, 9,000 Kenyan shillings for wants, and 6,000 Kenyan shillings for building wealth. That 6,000 may look small today, but over the years it can become something big. After learning to budget, the next important step is building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. You can lose your job. You can get sick. Your business can slow down. Emergencies happen. Without savings, many people end up borrowing money or selling important things. An emergency fund protects you from this. A good target is saving enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. If you spend 20,000 Kenyan shillings every month, then you should aim to save between 60,000 and 120,000 Kenyan shillings. This money should be kept in a place where it is safe and easy to access, such as a money market fund or a good savings account. Once your emergency fund is ready, it is time to start investing. This is where wealth starts growing faster. Saving money is important, but investing allows your money to work for you. In Kenya, there are many good investment options for young people. One of the easiest investments to start with is a money market fund. Many money market funds in Kenya allow you to start with as little as 100 Kenyan shillings or 1,000 Kenyan shillings. This makes it very beginner-friendly. The returns are usually better than ordinary savings accounts, and you can still access your money easily. Another powerful option is joining a savings and credit cooperative. Savings and credit cooperatives have helped many Kenyans build wealth through disciplined saving, dividends, and affordable loans. If you save consistently in a savings and credit cooperative, you build both capital and borrowing power. Stocks are another option. Buying shares in strong companies can help you build wealth over time. In Kenya, companies like SACCO Equity Group and Kenya Commercial Bank Group have attracted many investors. Stocks can rise in value and also pay dividends. However, they require patience because the market can go up and down. Government bonds and treasury bills are also good investments. These are safer because they are backed by the government. They may not make you rich quickly, but they are reliable and help preserve wealth. One mistake many young people make is increasing their spending every time their income increases. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a salary raise, and suddenly you want a better phone, a bigger house, more outings, and expensive clothes. Before long, your expenses rise and you remain broke. If your income increases from 30,000 Kenyan shillings to 50,000 Kenyan shillings, instead of increasing your spending by 20,000 Kenyan shillings, increase your investments first. For example, if you were investing 5,000 Kenyan shillings before, you can now raise it to 15,000 Kenyan shillings. This way, your wealth grows faster. Building wealth also becomes easier when you have more than one source of income. Depending on one's salary is risky. If that salary stops, everything stops. In Kenya today, there are many side hustles that can help you earn extra money. You can start freelancing online. You can offer graphic design, writing, video editing, or website development services. You can start a small business, such as selling clothes, perfumes, or snacks. You can create content on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog. You can start photography or event planning. The goal is to build multiple streams of income, so that one problem does not destroy your finances. Your skills are one of the most important assets in your 20s. The more valuable your skills are, the more money you can earn. This is why investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make. Learn high-income skills such as digital marketing, video editing, coding, sales, and copywriting. In Kenya's growing digital economy, these skills can open doors to local and international opportunities. A person with strong skills can often increase their income much faster than someone who depends only on a basic job. Debt is another important topic. Debt is not always bad, but bad debt can destroy wealth. Borrowing money to start a business or buy an asset can be useful if it helps generate income, but borrowing money for unnecessary things like expensive phones, parties, or luxury clothes is dangerous. Many young Kenyans fall into traps like mobile loans and overdrafts. They borrow small amounts repeatedly and end up paying high charges. This creates a cycle that is hard to escape. If you must borrow, make sure the debt helps you grow financially. As your money grows, protecting it becomes important. This means having health insurance if possible, keeping your money in safe places, and avoiding risky investments that promise unrealistic returns. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Scams are common, especially online. Many young people lose money chasing quick riches. Wealth building is usually slow and steady. There are no shortcuts. Real wealth takes time. Patience is one of the biggest secrets to wealth. Many people want fast money. They want to become rich in 1 year, but real wealth often takes 10 years, 15 years, or even 20 years to build. Imagine investing 5,000 Kenyan shillings every month from age 22 until age 32. That is 600,000 Kenyan shillings without even counting profits. If those investments grow over time, the amount can become much larger. Now imagine continuing until age 40. The results become even more powerful. Time is your greatest advantage in your 20s. Someone who starts investing at 22 has a much better chance of building wealth than someone who starts at 35, even if the second person earns more money. Here is a simple wealth-building plan. If you earn 20,000 Kenyan shillings, aim to save at least 2,000 to 4,000 Kenyan shillings every month. If you earn 50,000 Kenyan shillings, aim for 10,000 to 15,000 Kenyan shillings. If you earn 100,000 Kenyan shillings, diversify into money market funds, stocks, savings, and credit cooperatives and business. Building wealth is not about perfection. You will make mistakes. You may lose money. You may miss opportunities. But what matters is consistency. Keep saving. Keep investing. Keep learning. Your 20s are your foundation years. The habits you build now will shape your 30s, 40s, and beyond. If you start today, even with a small amount, you give yourself a powerful head start. 10 years from now, you will either be grateful that you started building wealth early or wish you had started sooner. The choice is yours. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Start now.